B says cos theta plus 10 degrees is equal to sine theta. So if this is the equation, you can then start by saying sine theta is equal to cos into bracket 90 minus theta. Doing this, you are going to express this equation in terms of just sine theta or in terms of cos theta. So if sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, I will then substitute cos 90 minus theta for sine theta in equation B, so that cos theta plus 10 degrees will be equal to cos 90 minus theta. So this invariably becomes theta plus 10 is equal to 90 degrees minus theta. Collecting like terms, you then have theta plus theta to be equal to 90 degrees minus 10 degrees, and 2 theta is equal to 80 degrees. Dividing both sides by 2, you get your answer that theta is equal to 40 degrees. So all this can be solved using the idea of complementary angles. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while we encourage you to subscribe to our channels if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can use the comment section to also interact with us on areas that are still strange to you. We also recommend you to share the links with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this class. Let's take another example.